But he's nasty for sure. And early strike out. You love to see that. The higher egos for sure. Accuracy really becomes important. And base hit. The dollar thing. The pole's there, it's still there. Let me see. Wow, that's a fair ball somehow down the line. And runners advance to the corners here with 1 out. And Guns Jackman coming up. Huge at bat here early on. Love to get this double play right here. But obviously dangerous batter at the plate. And swinging outside the zone, unfortunately. Gonna go right to sack the song for out number 2. And swing and a miss. Nice pitch to get out of it. And no runs to get across the board here for the Boston Blizzard early on. And now you got to deal with this absolutely monstrous lineup from the Ugly Gentlemen's Club. It's ridiculous, honestly. Who let this man get this many disciplined traits on his team? It's ridiculous. So expect hits, just like that. Plenty of them. And there's 2 early hits. Honestly, still a decent pitcher, though. Here we go, full count to Juice Jackson. Gonna go with a changeup. And nasty for the strikeout. Big out. Just missed with that fastball, and they get a full count on Bo Belter. Goes with the curve. And swinging right to Dexteros for 2-2. And grounded to second. And he works his way out of it. Bags off the glove of Donga. And he's going to be sending the runner home. Can he get there in time? Safe. Good aggressive too. Goes back to it. High fly ball left field. But Steed is there. Goes for the steal. Oh, what a dive by Rip Dingers to end the inning. Up the middle. One around with 2 outs.
Now batting, the right fielder, number 26, Johnny Bags.
Johnny Bags, nice swing up the middle. Keeps the inning going here. And now, and he left it in the middle. That's down and gets past. Everybody's going. That's going to get at least 2 in here. Rufo going to third, and a big mistake there in center field by Bo Belter. Down the line. What a play by Steed. Oh, my goodness. So 1 out. Caldi. Off the glove of Steed. Runners advance. And now the gentleman threatening here with the tying run coming to the plate. Big swing there. 1-2. With the inside fastball. And can't sneak it through up the middle. 1 run is in. Here comes the second. Safe. Big hit for the gentleman. Here comes Grizz. Not a great hitter. But yeah, goes for the bunt attempt. But oh no! Ball is thrown away. And that's going to get at least 1 in here. And it will. Tie game off the error. This could be 2. to Hole and then to Song. Double play.
Now batting.
Oh, no. Got his double play ball, but couldn't even get one. Everybody's safe.
Number 7, Ali Caldi.
Howie Caldeek! Oh my! Absolute bomb. Gentlemen's Club retaking the lead here with a big shot by Caldeek. Big shot by Caldeek.
Third baseman, number 90.
Changing the
Rip
score line here.
Dingers.
Oh my goodness! Rip Dingers responding right away. 4-6. With absolute tank. And down the line, that's fair. Not a good bounce at all for Bags. That's going to get a running. 7-4. Big hit. And he wants more. He got Bo Belcher coming up in a big spot. Hit hard. Right at Rufo. Sending the runner home. Looks like he'll get that running. Make it 8-4. And, no, not well placed, unfortunately, for Blizzard. That's going to get into the gap, score 2 more here. The third tried to go. He goes back. But just extending the lead here for the Gentlemen's Club, 10-4. One and two. Into no man's land. No one can get there. That's going to drop and get 2 more in. Nightmares. Nightmare stuff for the Blizzard. First pitch swinging, grounded to short. This should do it. And it does. Nice game 1 win for the Gentlemen's Club, taking it 12-4 in a offensive just blowout.
Now batting, third baseman, number 19, Juice Jackson.
Up the middle. Good hit by Juice. Off the pitcher. Oh no, can he get there in time? Safe. That's been happening a lot this. Up the middle. Dexteras can't make it in time, and now the bases are loaded.
Number 31.
And what seemed like a 1-2-3 inning is now trouble. As Stallion Johnson coming up here. And right down the middle, that is not what you want to throw. Oh, no. Off the wall. This should clear the bases easily. And it will. 3-0. Gentlemen's Club early. And now Ray's Rufo will get a first look at Savannah Marks here. And, oh, my goodness. Deep center field. No chance. Goodbye. Sack to Song. Swinging a drive left field. Does that have the height? And that does. See you later. Extending his lead. And poke through the right side. That's not going to get a run in. Nice hit. Through the hole. Dexterous dives, but safe.
Now batting,
And now Stud. Popped up.
baseman, number
Miss 0-2. And goes for the steal attempt, but it's not going to work out. Still a close one, 4-2. And Snag leads it off here in the bottom of the 6th with a knock. And he walks him. Nasty pitch, but Jackson cannot pick the ball up. And the bases are now loaded with no one out. And here comes Johnny Bags with clutch on. This is scary. Oh, no. Destroyed it. Huge rip there. Gets the double play ball. 1 run is in. Double play is complete. Not the lag. That's high. Good pitch. Up the middle. Belter does not have an arm. He's sending him. Safe. And Boston retaking the lead here. 5-4. Off the pitcher. Can he get there in time? Not a good throw. Safe. Everything's falling apart now. Grounded to Goose. Can he get the double play? And he does. Oh, no, he doesn't. Safe at first. Another run is in for Blizzard. And good swing. Dexter is not able to grab that one. I thought he was about to grab it. 5-7. And oh no. Deep center field off the wall. That will tie the game up. 7-7. That's hitting into no man's land. I'm able to get there. No one is. Off the glove. Runner goes all the way home. And wow, what a turn of events here. 8-7. And a tank by Bo. Oh my God. What an inning from the Gentleman's Club. Strike 1. And right to Jackson. That's going to do it.